Hi, welcome back to Handbag Angel's YouTube channel. We have got quite a short video for you today, just quickly going over a new product that we've got. As you can see, it's for a YSL bag, and we get a lot of questions about this bag, asking if we can make a conversion kit for it. So we thought, why not get the bag in for ourselves, have a look at it and create the kit. So we're just going to quickly show it you. It came in this lovely YSL box, like quite a lot of the bags from YSL do. And as you can see, it is the Monogram Clutch / Wristlet. Quite a lot of people call it a wristlet, but on the website it's called a clutch. It's in the quilted leather. We got ours in the Blanc vintage colour. As you can see, there is a cute little wristlet strap, but there's no crossbody strap. So it was the perfect bag for us to create a conversion kit for. Inside it is very dark, so another reason why you might want one of our liners is to brighten it up a bit. You can see your belongings a lot better. And yeah, it's just plain black inside. There's no pockets or anything either. It's just a breasted opening, nice and simple, but it is a really classic, really cute little clutch bag. And let's show you the conversion kit we've made. So we had our liner made in Nude Teddy. It's one of our most popular colourways. It's literally just a really nice nude colour. And we've got ours in the gold hardware to match the YSL logo on the front of the bag. And it just slots nicely into the pouch. It is that really nice snug fit, because if it's any bigger or any smaller, it will slip out when the back pouch is opened, when you've got the crossbody chain on. So it just sits in there nicely. We then attach one of our luxury gold chains to the rivets that come in the liner. You do get the chain in our conversion kits. I do need to mention that as well. They do come as a kit, so you get the liner with the rivets in and the chain. And then here it is. You now got a really nice crossbody bag. You can wear the bag 3 different ways. You can wear it as a clutch, a wristlet, and a crossbody. I'll just show you what it looks like without the wristlet strap. It does actually look like a completely different bag. It is really nice as a crossbody bag, and we will leave the link in the description below.